Hey, everybody, it's me. Want fresh blueberries right on your balcony or patio? Let's grow them in a container. It's easier than you think. First, pick a variety suited for containers, like Top Hat, Sunshine Blue, or North Blue. These are dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties that thrive in pots. Next, you need a large pot, at least 16 inches wide and deep with good drainage holes. Blueberries love moisture, but hate soggy roots. Then you need the right soil. They need acidic soil, around pH 4.5 to 5.5. Mix peat moss, pine bark, and perlite for a fluffy, acidic blend. Avoid regular potting soil. Now plant your blueberry bush with the crown just above the soil line. Water it in well. They like a deep drink, not frequent sips. Place the pot in full sun, at least 6 hours a day. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, but don't let it dry out completely. Feed your blueberries in early spring and midsummer with a fertilizer made for acid-loving plants, like azalea or rhododendron food. Now, some varieties are self-pollinating, but planting two increases your harvest. And by late spring to early summer, boom, berries. If you're in a cold climate, protect the pot in winter. Wrap it in burlap or move it to an unheated garage. They need chill hours, but not frozen roots. And that's it. Fresh, juicy blueberries, right from a pot on your porch. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video. If you liked it, follow for more and share this video with your friends. They'll be glad you did.